of a connection with my streamer software, so it should start working automatically. Okay, we haven't created any thumbnail for today's stream. That's a shame. Okay, let me just create a quick thumbnail as well. So which stream is it? First of all, maybe we'll have to rename it. I need to stop this and let's go to first. I need to check. So sorry guys, I have a ton of updates. Like today is Saturday. I was just sitting. How much I have worked? I just want to boast about today's work. I have worked like 5.5 hour, like constant coding I've been doing, and I'll show you what I've been up to. Because today's Saturday, I generally do not work on my other apps. I dedicatedly worked on post handle on the whole day, and I have achieved a lot more compared to last week's updates. So I'm pretty excited about it. But yeah, let me just quickly go to the, I need to create a nice thumbnail. Which one is nicer? Which one will be the nice one? Okay, I think this one, when maybe this looks so weird. No, not this one. Hey Varun, welcome man. I'm just creating a thumbnail. Just give me a second, maybe 2 minutes. And I'm just thinking which kind of, I think this is nice, right? Yeah, this is nice. I'll just use it today. It might be eye-catching for someone, I don't know, but yeah, it's just experimenting with multiple things. Let's see if this works. Okay, so this is my template for thumbnail. What's happening? I'll just paste it on this and we'll do some color correction on it. I want to just increase the saturation a bit, and yes, temperature is fine. Exposure, no exposure. Tint is also fine. Highlights, I think, yeah, this is good, right? Yeah, this is fine. I'll call it 37 and we can just export this. And what is this? 37. Yes, let's save it. Where do I need to update it? So I need to update it on the creator port. Himanshu, welcome. Oh shit, where is my live content? It's here. I'll update it. 37. Restream, we will remove this part. And thumbnail, we will put the live stream 37. We will tag it as live stream. I'm sorry guys, I was so busy on other things that I have to do it now on live. Not very professional, but yeah. It's done. It's done. Nice. So it's a weekend, Saturday. 4 people are still here. Nice. So there are more people like me without much of a social life. Okay. Harshit, congratulations for 5K, sir. Harshit, thank you. Yeah, I'm also surprised. It's like 4K to 5K happened very quickly. I don't know. I think my this wasted idea video did pretty good, and then there was the other one. Yeah, the Scrimba one, I think it also reached to 1K in very quickly. It became like number one in terms of videos. Himanshu, hey. Yugi, welcome. Present, sir. Giving the attendance. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's okay. We have super chat, so I need to just enable one in case anybody is interested. It's like if YouTube has given this, so it makes sense, right? I would say what? AI will announce your name and message in the stream. What is this stream? And I will be 2x heavy. Mixing, mix and mixing. All the colors, super chat, announce. Spelling is wrong. ANNOUNCE. Announce. Yes, this is good. Let me play some music as well. It's looking very boring. Okay, 6 people are here. Wow, on a weekend, that's a record. Arshit and Himanshu, are you brothers? So Himanshu is my younger brother, real brother. Harshit is my cousin. So we all are brothers. Road to 100K. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Today, anybody is interested in any specific kind of music, or should I play something which will definitely be a copyright strike? I'm in a like hip hop mode today. So I'm playing something on my like favorite hip hop music, or maybe I'll play my lag music. So this is something which I'm listening on. Nice. I'm definitely sure like all the music, all my streams will be copyrighted heavily after this. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, okay. Okay, so many messages. Adit, hi sir, how is it going on? It's going pretty good, guys. Today I have a huge update to share. I think we are almost there on creating our app. Hind, yo Hind, how are you, man? Welcome back. We were working late night yesterday, and again we are here. Parth, close to 8 hour on a weekend. Damn, bro. Waka stats bonkers. 743. Yes. Waka is generally like it also tracks when I'm not deep working. Like my more critical tracking is from this Pomodoro tracker, because this I only run when I'm like focused. And today was again like a really good day. 5 hour 30. Like I'm constantly coding from like I think 11 a.m. today till like 4-5. So yeah. Aditya Deshmukh, Punjabi. Adit, I do not like really enjoy Punjabi music, like except for all the pop music which pops up. Yeah. In the army, 5K man, congratulations. Thank you guys. We are growing. We all are growing. Parth, congrats on 5K. Thank you, Parth. Thank you so much. Aditya, Punjabi play karo sir ji. Aditya. Okay, I'll play one Punjabi song. Give me one Punjabi song which you want. I can play that. But to be honest, I do not enjoy most of the Punjabi music because I have not been listening to it a lot. Yugi, your name music, sorry. Your name music. Is there a name? My name music? Inth, any update on the error? Yes, Inth, all error fixed. I'm going to like demo it now. Done crazy updates, like all the hard work of 5 hours has paid off now. Lincoln codes, wow, guys, joining on a weekend, crazy. How it's going? It's going great, man. How are you doing? I saw your video, amazing video, and I also commented on that. They loved your project which you are working on, and all the best on that. Happy Life, yo, Happy Life members are here. Nice to see you, Happy Life. Welcome. What's up? Hello, everyone. What's up, Doc? Welcome back. Long time. Adit, no issue. That's okay, sir. Okay, cool. Thanks for understanding, Adit. But if you specifically need to listen any song, like just share. I might, because today I'm in a mood that to copyright or like do anything with my stream. Wow, thank you, man. It said something, but it was not very clear. I'm liking this. Did anyone of you guys have heard this music, like the video of this? It's crazy, like very creative music video. Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Rajkumar, What is the SaaS you are working on and what's the stack, sir? Rajkumar, I'm working on this app. Like, I'm just going to demo it. Just give me 2 minutes because I want to demo a lot of things which I worked on today. As all the members who were there yesterday, they were looking at things I was planning to build. So yeah, I want to demo it today. All the updates. Yugi, your name is anime. That's theme song. My name is an anime? Yugi, I don't know, man. I don't know what is it. Like, should I Google Divyanshu anime? And there is a something as Divyanshu anime. Blinking codes. It's going great. Thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate it. It was my first voiceover. Yeah, it was like very professional, very good. Like like I saw your previous videos and I saw like improvement on the video quality and all. So you're doing great, Blinking codes. All the best, man. 0 degree. Love to see the demo. Finally, that day came. 0 degree. I mean, like, it's not that great at this point, but yeah, we were like, as everyone who was joining here from the last 1 week, they might like want to see the demo because we were struggling on the timeline layer only, but now I finally integrated the timeline and everything. So yeah, but yeah, I'm excited to share it as well. Just Rudy, do you work somewhere? Rudy, no, I am not working anywhere at this point. Varun, your message was removed, but I guess you said something like your name is a movie. Your name, what is that? Let me Google. Your name. Oh, okay. Your name. What was the message? Wait. What was the message? Which your name is anime, that theme song, right? So your name theme song. Let's see. Your name theme song. Okay, let me stop my live music. Sparkle. Oh, this I have heard on like reels. Yeah, I like this song. Is the voice fine? Do you want me to increase it a bit? Wow, guys, Saturday, 17 people. That's a record on a weekend. Crazy. And Blinken Code, what's the channel? Yeah, Blinken Code, please share your channel here. People might follow there as well. Indarmi, Shubham. Hey, Shubham, welcome, man. No, movie name is your name. Yeah, got it. My bad. It's a very unique name, your name. Happy life. Now, no way. I wake up before my alarm. I don't waste time on social media and I go to gym daily. Am I going in upward spiral of life now? Maybe I just have to edit in meditation. Wow, happy life. So happy for you. All the best habits there. Even like I'm struggling with waking up early. Like from last 3-4 days, I'm waking up so late, and I'm kind of missing my morning coding sessions. But today was a good day. Like today, I did a lot. I'm going to share it now. Rama, Cursor improved its performance. Did you observe the change? Oh yeah, I have to say a lot about Cursor. So Cursor's beta is kind of released now. In Cursor beta, they have changed everything. Now there is not anymore. You have these agents, cascade, composer, all those things are gone. Like there is some modes now. It's not enabled for everyone. But yeah, these are added. So that's one thing. I'm waiting to get invited. People have some mixed feelings about that change. And I'm also still struggling with the slow queries which are happening with me. I did not see this happening for anyone else because there was not many hashtags cursor slow or something. So maybe it's a problem with devs in India, and the Indian, I don't know if Indian cursor community is that big at this point. But yeah, they are coming up with a very big update now with a lot of UI changes. Aditya Deshmukh, your message was removed. Shubham, yo, nice song. Yeah, we are on a fun weekend vibe today. So yeah, any song which you guys want, we can play that. Yugi, increase more. Is it good? Your name is good anime movie. Yeah, I want to like. I started watching anime again. That's a different kind of reaction, right? Okay, we'll talk about anime some other day. Adit Deshmukh, sir, your You don't build it, you much focused on clone, like exactly what to clone, like bit confused there. I mean, video that you published few days back, you much focused on clone. Adit, by that I mean like clone means not like you have to build it, but clone means to see what kind of ideas, basically clone the idea. So for example, if someone is making a project which is for helping like blogging, like I want to make a project which helps you blog better or create blogs with the help of AI. Now there are so many tools out there with similar idea, which means that this idea is validated, there is market for it because there are so many competitors already. So it's okay if you want to go in that direction to build this as your project. But again, there you have to watch out, like if it's too saturated, like if there are too many big players on that market, you as a solo might not be able to compete with them because they might be investing a lot on marketing budget. That's what I mean by clone. Like look at a market which is already there, look at projects which already exist, and try to build your project on the same ideas. My reaction after using Tray, Varun, same reaction. Like I like the design though. I really like the clean design, but yeah, it's shit. Tray fails behind Cursor. I mean, yeah, they are very new. They are like launching after 8-9 months of when Cursor and Windsurf has got such a big head start. So maybe they will improve with time. Every ID is same for free plan users. Haha. Tray is, I think, still free, right? I don't know. Yugi, so we will control your music for today. Yes, it's on your controls, guys. Cool. So let me just share all the things I have done on the app. Wow, let me just refresh it. I'm happy to share like most of the things are working which I thought they would. Yeah. So first thing is, as you can see, I can add any background layer. Let's say if I want to add this layer, right? I can even add again, and I can reduce its width, I can reduce its size, and this will like, okay, this might, and also I can delete it. So this whole feature of timeline addition, deletion, this all working very smoothly. Now let's say if I want to add a meme, right? Let's say this is a background layer which I have. Okay. So sometimes it might take a while to load because currently I'm not using any CDN for background videos. I might want to use it. So let's say if I want to now add a meme here, I have added a couple of memes. Let's say happy meme. I'm happy, right? So I have added this, and then I can add a text layer. Me when, okay, yeah, the one problem is there, the space is not working. Let me just okay, let's say just cursor add. So you see now everything is working. And the text layer can be moved across, like because you might want to add multiple texts, and this is like, this has different dragging behavior compared to others cannot move like this. And even I can drop in any other, yeah, let's say if I want to drop in another meme, right? Let's say if I want to write a meme where first text is I'm laughing and then I'm like sobbing because my cursor is timing out. So this would look like something like this. So yeah, we can add these green screen memes, and we can add text. Now text formatting, which needs to be done, which we will do now in this stream. And once this is done, the whole suite of adding multiple elements, creating them is kind of done. Then we'll need to render and download them. That will be the next feature. And I need to work on like a little bit of UI element fixes. So these are the things which I have done in last like 4-5 hours today. Bybit got hacked, 1.46 billion lost. Yeah, I saw that, 1.4 billion gone. And I think a lot of people have asked for their withdrawals, and their CEO is really like accepting all the withdrawals. I don't know how, but yeah, that's why like all these scams and hacks, these make me a little bit worry about, you know, the scene of Web3. And guys, I would really appreciate if you can also like the stream. I noticed like yesterday it was like just 10 likes. So yeah, I would really appreciate. How about GitHub Copilot? Rudy, I mean, I tried it. It's not even close to what Cursor and Windsurf are doing. They are on a different domain at this point. I tried using Klein as well. Klein is fast, Klein, but I used my own API key. It costed me like $13 for just one small day of a small work. So yeah, I mean, with pricing and everything, Cursor and Windsurf are, I don't know, they are on a different level at this point. Amit, hi Divyanshu, hi Amit, welcome, another member on the chat. Blinking Coats looks awesome. Thank you, Rudy. Dope. Thank you. Hind, I noticed it automatically recognizes the green screen and removes it. Yes, so this is like because I have added these memes, right? So memes have green screen and they will be removed as soon as they are added. And maybe I can add another one here and I can just increase this. So it will be something like this, like here, cursor. Let me add another text layer which will say not working. Yeah, there is one issue with the spacebar. We'll fix it now. Like it's a small issue because I am hijacking the cursor. And so yeah, another thing is, so there are a few things which I want to work on. Let me just open my Raycast notes, right? What were the things we want to work? One is space bar is not working on adding text. Second is what? Which one should I pick? I'm just thinking that. Resizing of text could be, again, a bigger task. Is there anything smaller I can pick? Because which can be done easily. Okay, let's say resizing logic for text layer. Anything else? So resizing and position, because we both resize and position, right? Spacebar is okay. Styling on the text layer. So yeah, these are the three things which I want to do. Maybe we can do it in this stream, or maybe we would push a little bit tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Sundays I would not do. Yeah, so we are on a lo-fi mode. Let's play the song again. I was able to, start. Too easy. Yeah, this one. I like this music as well. This is a nice music. Rudy, you are using FFmpeg. Like I'm using a lot of combination of couple of things on the backend to render and all, but rendering and everything I have not yet started. How do you manage video playback? Yeah, video playback is managed by a client-side library. Hi, did you see ping post LinkedIn automation? I texted you on Discord. With it, which one was that? Wait. Showcase ping post. Is this? This is by Gaurav. You are with it. This is not yours. Can you please remind me with it? Where did you send it? Maybe I did and not remembering it now. Yeah, actually, okay, I need to tell Varun as well. Varun, I'm really sorry I didn't look at this cap IQ as well. I'm thinking I'll pick like one major task for next week where I'll be working on one small feature on cap IQ as well. So yeah, next week I can take some things, okay, on a script, dashboard or anything. I'll give like few hours to cap IQ as well. With it, I sent it to you on DM. Okay, let me check my DMs. Okay, you shared the Figma, right, with it? Okay. Yeah, I saw the Figma design. I mean, like the designs can be improved a little bit. They feel like more of a, not very professional at this point. Maybe like copy design element from shared CN. Like use an existing UI library and use those elements to design your Figma. I think that will be helpful. Otherwise, the tool is already, it has a great market. I saw like a couple of such tools already existing. So yeah, you are on the right track. Just build it, push it. And yesterday someone was on the chat who also shared some concept earlier. And yesterday he has created a full blown app and it's working, and he's like, he got some paid users as well. So yeah, I think he was Ashok. I don't know if he's here today, but yeah, similarly, I'm rooting for your success as well. Like if you can push this out. Oh yeah, this is also my last week's found of good music. Oh yeah, check the meme. Which meme? There is a meme page, right? Yes, memes. Yeah, Windows 10, 11. Oh, really? 12 is like just the horizontal alignment. Crazy. Okay, what about basic video effects like ease in, ease out, zoom in, zoom out, etc.? Happy Life, that can be added. That will be part of effects. So once I, like you said, I drag and drop a video, let's suppose, no, not here. Let's say if I drag and drop this one. So so yeah, even I can add such memes for my cat's video as well. This looks so funny. So yeah, I do not like this dog. Technically, this dog is like has some illness, and we are laughing on the dog's illness. So, yeah, this me. This is not cool. But yeah, the thing which you are saying, right? Zoom in and all. I am going to add like animations on video layer specifically. Like when you click on it, I will enable one extra option which will be called effects. So you can add more effects on each video layer. Like you want to zoom in, zoom out, pan in, pan out, and all those effects. Plus there will be multiple other effects, but that will be in next version. I'm thinking not in this initial version which I'm releasing by this weekend, like before March, sorry, which will have a full blown video creation logic, and video can be downloaded and can be posted. And I'm majorly focusing on like creation of memes first, because this will give us a like a baseline where the product is usable, can be shared with others, and after that it's just adding more features on top of it based on like feedback how users are using it. Shubham, could you review one of my UI? It's just what I created in 2 hours. Where is your UI? Shubham, where is the UI? In the, you thinking of making the video editor complex? What type of effects, animations, and all you gonna put? Uh, I'm not thinking to make it too complex, to be honest. Like I'm just building the basic suite of features which I personally need to promote my apps first on like short form content platforms. And once it's live, I will make it live for like 30 days. And once it's live, I'll see what kind of users are majorly using it to create what kind of content. If people are using it to mostly create, memes and such kind of like funny content, I'll focus more on this category. If I notice people are using it, because I do not want to make it as a web editor for videos. There are already tons of tools and they are doing crazy work on those domains, so it's better for that kind of audience. Those kind of tools would be better. This will be for someone who wants to just quickly spend 5 minutes, create something and publish a schedule. Varun, do you combine AutoGen with post handle? Yes, Varun, that's the plan. So the plan is the whole posting and scheduling logic that I will use of post handle. So users can directly connect, and the whole backend will be of post handle only for that on the app. And I'll not be giving this video editor on or AutoGen AI, like Auto Aerials basically. So yeah, this is something which Shubham has created. Let's just quickly review. DS Pune University, Ignite Creative Ignite Innovation. Very nice. I like the color and the use of the gradient. Yeah, after this looks very clean, this part. But here, I think you can do something on this page. This is not, I think the brightness from the background is too high, in my opinion. So maybe reduce it a bit and maybe add some shadows on these blocks so they look like floating, or change the font size a little bit, reduce the size of these boxes as well. And another thing is, if you are using these kind of title sizes here, like about event, then use the similar here as well. This feels a little bit, and this shadow to me doesn't feel very very clean. Maybe use some other color for shadow, maybe darker, and reduce this brightness. You can, you can also use glow effects, which is like becoming quite famous these days. I can give a very basic demo, which I'm not also very good at it, to be honest. But yeah, it's something which I've found. Wait. So let's say if you are building this web page, right? And yeah, this was a quick, and just add a box. This one, let's say, is dark, right? And where is that pen thing? Where is the pen? Pencil. I'm just doing it very roughly and use it like this, and then maybe use it here, use it like this, and once you have done it, it will make effect group selection, and then where is this rectangle? Move it up, then make it so these will have a layer blur. This one, where is it? Effects, layer blur, which will have something like this, and this will have just maybe this is not my, this is again too much, so you can increase the layer blur on this. There are like better tutorials, I'm just giving an example, right? This kind of gradient color on the background which happens, and obviously it will not come out from this side. You will have to create a mask proper. Maybe I can just create a mask. No, this will not work like this. You'll have to be, but yeah, I mean, you understand, right? You just add couple of colors on the background, make a layer blur, and add a darker layer on top of it. It looks a bit more professional compared to this, like having just one single layer of colors. It looks good though. Like this part, this first hero section, this looks really nice, really clean up. Maybe other people can also comment on this, but from after this here, it starts to look more like raw, not very polished. So yeah, spend some time, like do not spend more time on this section, spend some time here in this section, make it perfect, then move on to other one. Yeah. Suggest a client-side web editor. Rudy, client-side web editor. I mean, there are a lot. I think Canva does web editing as well on video editing. There is CapCut. I think it's not available in India, but you can still use it with VPN. And I think the Microsoft also released one similar tool. I don't know. Someone was mentioning on the chat here. Yep, I made it in 2 hours. Oh wow, if you made it in 2 hours, that's already pretty good. Looking very nice. You just have to spend more hours on cleaning up the bottom sections a little bit. Understood. Actually, I have done the same thing. Cool, Shubham. But yeah, looking nice, man. All the best. You're learning Figma, and that's great. In the army, that's awesome. I learned a new thing today. Cool. Yeah, I rushed. Yeah, it looks like at first you are in your deep zone mode, putting all the creativity, and then you were like, oh, I need to finish it up. It looks like that. Rudy, clip champ. Yeah, it's clip champ. Correct. Okay, so what was your task? What's happening? What's happening? Why my raycast just stopped working? Oh, okay. Wow, this is weird. Okay, let me just play some normal music now. It's not helping me focus, to be honest. This is, I guess, is better. Yeah, this is better. So spacebar is not working. Let's work on the spacebar first. Okay, before that I need to look into this as well. So I made all these changes in just few prompts. I need to just quickly go through it. So yeah, my text layer, that's definitely needed. Then there is a timeline store. What are we adding? Set text layer, add text layer, remove. Set and add. What? Why? Where are we using add? Add text layer in the text layers. Add text layers. And where are we using set? This is in text layers, right? Okay, got it. So, and then there is text layer and text layers. We need to definitely remove one. Text layer. Which one are we using? We are using text layers. We are not using text layer, right? This one we can discard that. It is still working. Okay. And then in drop down media select dialog. This is all fine. There is an issue. It is good. Now we can check on here. Rudy, in your opinion, how is Cursor better than GitHub Copilot? The first thing, I think GitHub Copilot is only integrated on VS Code, and VS Code currently, I haven't used VS Code for a while. Well, let me just check it out, right? I already have enabled Copilot here. Let me just show you. It's enabled right here, open chat. So, I mean, in pricing wise, it's good. No. The one thing is does it give, these features? Okay, it does not. So this is on continue devs feature. So one thing which Cursor and Windsurf are doing, they are syncing all your code base, first of all, back to their like 3D vector databases, and the contexts are better. The agentic workflow works really nice on, specifically in Windsurf. I think Windsurf's agent, no one can beat at this point. I have tried to add a whole feature with Cursor and with Windsurf. I have noticed Windsurf does like a hit rate is much better than Cursor's, and Cursor's inline chat. If I know what I want to do, and I can just update it directly from here, like pressing Command K, which is in Cursor. That does not work in this Copilot. One thing which I like about Copilot is that they are giving 3.5 sonnet. I think there is no limit on it. It's unlimited. And also like enabling your models. Okay. And the pricing $10 a month is very, very nice on Copilot. Apart from that, the replies which it creates, because LLMs does not hold much value in itself at this point. Because Cursor and Windsurf both are using Claude 3.5, but still Windsurf is performing better in agents versus Cursor is performing better on the chat when you are having with the LLM. it's on the context, like what kind of context they are giving of your code. So your understanding of your code, what's the logic or what's the algorithm behind that. I mean, that is much better in Cursor, and for agents it's much better in Windsurf. So yeah, that's the only difference I have noticed. And that there are like minor issues, for example, like the whole agentic flow MCP, I don't know if it's enabled on Copilot yet. The inline chat is not available here. So a couple of such changes which are still does not make me move to back to VS Code. And daily updates on Cursor and Windsurf just keep on updating, keep on pushing these kind of small changes. I mean, they are good enough for me. What is your theme on VS Code? Happy Life. It's same, which is in Cursor as well. It's called, I think, Dracula. So yeah, it's definitely Dracula. Yeah, yeah. Because I have also like customized it long back, and I just imported back from VS Code, which is in Cursor right now. For Windsurf, I haven't done that because Windsurf, I like this one already. The one by default they are providing, the dark theme. So one crazy thing which Windsurf has done is one shotted the whole text layer feature, to be honest. Like the whole text layer. Yeah. Okay, I think we messed up one thing. Default composition here is meta text, right? It's definitely on the text here. Yes, it should be here. But layer is saying doesn't have iRemotion timeline layer. Which means in the types where we have added the text, it has text, right? So it's iTimeline layer base, and where is iRemotion timeline layer? It should have a text layer as well. Text. That's fine. Oh, shit, I haven't. Shit. I haven't updated this yet. And 13. We have just 15 minutes remaining. Crazy. I was just talking for last 45 minutes. Yeah, also today I have been instructed to move out from here. I need to watch a movie today. That's the plan. Let's see. By the way, VS Code is overlapping your screen. VS Code? You mean okay, this thing on the background, and then there is this thing. This is what? This is VS Code, or close it. Is it better now? I'm sorry guys, I've been like, it's all messed up today. Yep, it's good. I just like a little bit padding from all the sides. Cool. Better. Okay, so this is done. Now we will commit push it. So this is weird, right? I have to go back to Cursor for commit push because I like this button. It automatically creates the commit name. Do you guys know any better way in Windsurf? Because Windsurf doesn't give this button here. I have to talk to the agent sometimes. Like I say commit and push, and then it does it. I do not want to waste my tokens on just committing and pushing my code. So that's why I'm going to Cursor for that. But yeah, let's do one thing right now. Add one thing. First of all, we will go to timeline. In the timeline, okay, in the timeline, or maybe I'll just write it. What? End of free tier minutes. Your mode has been standard mode selected, but you don't have it downloaded. Hit the download button below to install it. I have the mode, right? This is weird. So I was using their paid version so far. I at least needs to make these two changes in 10 minutes. Can we do it? Obviously not the styling. Okay, so can you, okay, wait, cancel. In the current timeline, we are having an issue where the timeline hijacks the spacebar listening, and that is hindering when the dialog opens where we write the text for the text layer. So when we click on the add layer, we show a dialog in which we have an input text. In that input text, the spacebar is not working because it's been hijacked by the timeline. So let's remove that listener on timeline when the dialog is open and re-enable it once the dialog is closed. Wow, this was much faster, the audio to text conversion, because it happens, I think, locally on my machine. Earlier it was taking time because it was going to their servers. Rudy, have you thought about how using AI coding tools might help train big tech companies models through your corrections? Yes, it is doing, because I was watching one podcast of Windsurf's CTO, and he mentioned the same thing, that they do not like, they consider which model is performing best, like which code I'm accepting, which I'm rejecting, and then they make their own internal model faster with that data. So I mean, I have thought about it. I do not, to be honest, like care about it a lot. So what it has done is, now this is such a poor UI, right? I can't read that line. I have to accept, but I can't read it. Compared to cursor, so cursor would show it above that line. So e dot code is a space, if not text dialog open, which is fine, and dialog open, which is fine. Open is text dialog open. And so just with this line, this change is added. I'm pretty sure it would not work. Yep, not working as expected. The sober guy, how many years of experience do you have, sir? The sober guy, I've been like making softwares from last 11 years now, 12 years now, 2013, 2012. Shift back to cursor. Cursor is slow. I'll show you. Cursor is so slow. Okay, show you. Rudy, so what do you think? Without AI, will you be able to code with the same that you do with AI? I would not be that fast. Like the things which I can do, for example, like in just 5 hours, I was able to add multiple layers and multiple, all the logic of green screen to removal, running this just within like 10 minutes. Within 4 hours, the things I was able to do in this app today, I would definitely not be able to do it if I don't use AI. So that's the thing. And if you remove AI completely, like you do not give access to me, I'm like in an island somewhere where there is no internet. In that case, I'm able to do these things by looking at documentations, or maybe like doing it myself, but not very fast. I'll have to debug a lot. I'll have to make multiple logics. Like I'll have to go through each and every line. I have to write them manually by myself, which at this point feels like, when calculators were invented and then still there were people who were just calculating by themselves instead of using a calculator. It feels that to me, like writing every line by myself with keyboard. But to be honest, my opinions are coming because I have a little bit of understanding, because I was talking to one of my friend, right? He's new. I think he has just 3 years of experience, and he is not so confident about AI uh, because he does not have that much experience. He cannot like visualize everything, or can have broken down task where he can tell, okay, do this very specifically. So he talks to AI a lot, and in that he says he loses a lot of time compared to if he do it himself. So this is another issue which I was completely unaware of, and I came to understand when I was talking to him. So maybe my privilege of understanding or making things for last 10, 11 years give me a little bit of advantage here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, we need to give. Where is the dialogue? Add text layer dialogue. Yes. Add text. I got a new command which it has edited. Open. Not open. Yeah, this slash reference open editors. So it will automatically add all the files which are open on your tab browser, which is very cool. So I was talking about these kind of features, right? Which cursor gives. Like if you understand or learn all the things which cursor is providing, it's just making you faster and giving all the tools which are needed for AI workflows, better AI workflows. I am having, maybe just stop. I'm having an issue here on this model. So basically in our timeline, we are listening for a spacebar, which is blocking our spacebar use in any other place. So for example, if we want to add a text layer and we open the add text layer dialog and we try to type something and press a spacebar, that is not working because that is already being used on the timeline for some other purpose. So I want to add a logic where when we open the alert layer dialog, we should remove that listener from our timeline for the spacebar so that user can type properly with the spaces. And once the dialog is removed, then only the spacebar back to, override by timeline. How would you do it? Write the implementation logic first. Do not code anything. Let's see. It's so fast, this one. These AI era people would never understand the pain of an actual software engineer. I mean, that was also fun. The fun part, again, I cannot comment because, when you are in this space where I am, it's very hard to understand from a perspective of a person who is still learning. And because when I was learning, the main learning happened when I was searching for solutions, when I was stuck at some place and I was looking for solutions. And in that looking phase, I was doing a lot of learning. Right now, everything if AI is doing, I don't know if there is that stopping and figuring things out, because AI has written so much in your project. If you start from scratch now, you will be so lost, right? If you do not know, if your main goal is to learn, I don't think it will help you learn. But in few years, maybe 2-3 years, that code learning might not be that big of a thing. Like you will not even have to think about it because AI will just take over that part. In the end of, for me, it boils down to whether doing what I'm doing and how I'm doing is making me happy or not. If it is, it'll probably keep on doing. If it is not, then change. Yeah, makes sense. Oh shit, is it stuck on this screen? This happened last time as well. Wait, let me fix it. Is it better now? Can you see? Yeah, this happened earlier. I'm sorry. I think because this OBS is open for since morning today, maybe. I mean, that includes me too, though. I learned HTML, CSS, and C before AI. Nice. Rudy, your experience has helped you cut down a complex problem into small parts which you can feed to AI and in turn make better use of it than a person who cannot break down problems. Yes, that's what I also understood while talking to one of my close friend who recently he started coding 3 years back. So he said his main frustration with AI is it starts to hallucinate. In my case, whenever I see hallucination, I know what the root cause is. It's just I'm giving it a lot more to do and maybe I have to reduce the scope of AI. And he said I'm just talking to it a lot, and one of his problem was the AI is writing so much code that now he has lost the whole understanding of his whole project and he does not know what's happening. So that's a very weird problem that I do not have that problem. Even now, if AI fucks up for me somewhere, I'll be okay to go by myself and start debugging it. Okay, what's happening? And maybe then giving AI a better, command, maybe you are missing out this. So I am not just handing everything to AI. I'm here to collaborate with AI, like peer programming with AI. Sam, okay, Sam, thank you for this, Sam. I think it helped now. In a video of Chai or code titled "New Junior Developer Can't Actually Code Explains Better," I'd recommend you to watch it. Nice, I'll look into it. Thank you, Hin. So yeah, what AI is saying. Based on the analysis, here's the implementation strategy. Add is text dialog open state in timeline. This state will be source of truth for whether spacebar should be handled. Okay, component communication. Press state and setter to add this. Add this update. Modify the existing spacebar event listener to check. Okay, only handle play pause when dialog is closed. Flow timeline. Can you implement this now? Yeah, this is right. But if it doesn't work right now, I'll remove the spacebar logic from timeline for time being. I do not want to invest so much time on just this thing. Rudy, how long have you been using AI like this? Since Cursor launched. Like I'm on a Windsurf's early user tier, so they give me like $10 a month. So since Cursor launched, since Windsurf launched, I'm just using it from day one. So it's been, I think, 7-8 months, 8-9 months now. But earlier I was just using this inline chat, just giving commands like this. I felt this way is much more closer to your code, because here you are very intentional what changes you want, compared to passing everything to agent, which I recently started doing, because again, it's a form of kind of like, let's see. Like what I do is, now there is this workflow where I will give one task to AI, to agent, and I'll ask agent to do it. Now agent will give me some idea, some code, something. If it works, perfect, I'll commit it. If it doesn't work, I'll try to talk to it for maybe 2-3 times. If it still doesn't work, then I will try to go and do the inline chat thing. That's how the workflow is right now. Agent is my lazy mode, when I'm not like, I'm thinking, okay, first give it to agent, maybe it will do it himself. If it's not, do the chatting and do it yourself. So chatting is my way of doing it myself. I don't like, I will never write dialogue codes and all anymore. I'll ask AI to write this. So what it has done the same kind of thing. Yeah, see, in Cursor you can read everything except reject buttons are like floating. Fixed on, you can like go a little bit higher. So here Cursor wins on the UX for this. Then spacebar is this, okay. And this, I think Windsurf did the same thing, but Windsurf forgot to add the logic on add text layer dialog. And here if handle open change, we set text. Okay, let's see. Add text. Not working. Yes, not working. So what we will do is, we will just completely remove the logic for space. Remove the space bar logic from this component. So you're having fun while doing this. I mean, for me, fun is creating, like when what I'm thinking, what's in my mind, the idea, if it's out used by the user, that's where the fun is. In the building process, it's fun when I can like interact with what I'm thinking. Coding in general, like the raw coding was fun for a few years, like maybe when I was just learning it. After that, it's a thing which I have to do to bring the ideas out. Now I know a lot of my friends who are like core backend developers, and they hate they enjoy the whole coding paradigm so much. For them, output or product doesn't matter. It's like how involved they are in their code and how neat they are writing, how clean they are writing. That gives them a lot more happiness. So I think it depends on person to person. I personally feel like my main motive is to, make products which are being used by the end user and in the most easiest way possible. So I try to focus like most of my energy on those aspects. How can I improve it? How can I make it a little bit different than other solutions? How can I make it more fun? Okay, so it should be working now. Yes, this is working now. Perfect. Now we have another issue, which is, we will just commit this first. Guys, I think I'm off time now, but yeah, let's see if I can add this single thing, which is what was the other thing? Notes. Resizing position, obviously not now. Spacebar is removed. I was just thinking about some other thing. Oh, okay, select logic, yes. Add select logic in text layer. Let's make a plan of adding a logic where text layers can also be selected. Right now, background layer, element layer, video layer can be selected, but text layers are still not selectable. So implement the exact same logic which we have for other layers for selection in text layer as well. Write the implementation, how will you do it, and then we'll move on to coding. Shubham, bye. Bye, Shubham. Thank you so much for joining. I'm also leaving like in 2 minutes now once this prompt finishes. If cursor doesn't behave this way. Yeah, see, cursor is sometimes so weird. Whereas windsurf will just surf. See? Quick. Rudy, I encourage you to join the Discord server because soon we're gonna have a game night party. Hey, Hind, what was the number when we are going to do that? I think 100 users, right? When we have 100 users. Nice. Israr, what's up? You back in Mumbai? Hope you had a great flight yesterday. Rudy, I'm already in Discord. Nice. Israr late. Oh, I'm late. That's good then. Happy life, bro is doing overtime for 2 days straight. We have done a lot, right? Israr, if you haven't seen, our timeline and everything, the memes and all working great now. We can now add. So this is a meme for you. Israr coming from Goa. This is Israr coming from Goa. $100, yes, in the army. So once we have 100, we will have a game night. Blinking goat looks great. Thank you. What's here? Read my previous comment before buy. In the army, there is no other comment. I do not see any other comment. Damn, it already looks complete product. Thanks, Israr. Yeah, my plan is to make it like live for internal users, which you guys are, so that you guys can test it before March. That's a strict deadline I've set for myself. Meme of the day. Added a message for you in general. Cool. Can a user add their own memes? Happy life. Initially, no. I mean, you can share me what kind of memes, these green screens you are interested in. I will add it from my side, but later on I might write a whole feature where you can also add your own videos for your local library. So for that, I'll have to manage a local library, right? Every user do not like, some people might add some things which are not needed for everyone. So I do not want to make it like that. I want to make the whole media feature to be specific to a user. So these are the general videos which will be available for everyone, and then there will be specific videos which will be for user, like they will have their own libraries. Why this happens with me always? I don't know, maybe it's some sort of like YouTube moderation or something. It might signal it, flag it by mistake. Rudy, what's your GitHub? You're asking me. My GitHub is same, Divyanshu Negi. You can see on the timeline or in the layer here, the username, the exact. See the Discord DM. Discord DM. I searched a lot of the games that runs in the browser were FPV shooter and other were boring. Only one game, Scribble.io, seemed like having an actual fun and engaging. What do you say? Yeah, so Scribble and the other one like Crayon, which yesterday someone mentioned, that game with kind of like Counter Strike. I mean, that's a good one. Still the project looks clean now. Nice. Yes, for design I have like crazy ideas about the project. Once it's working and we have like a first version ready, I'll revamp the design. I'm thinking of very minimalistic designs compared to what it is right now. It looks like a broken dashboard at this point. It looks like so many things. It doesn't look nice to me, to be honest. Krunker, yes, Sindhami. We might try Krunker. I like this game, Krunker. It's very nice. Okay, what is it saying? Based on my analysis of the code base, here's the plan. The text layer selection is already partially implemented, but needs to be properly connected. Here's what we need to do. Current implementation is this. This already have. What's missing? The only a click handler is text layer needs to be properly connected. Implementation step. First, we need to ensure on mouse down handle properly triggers. Okay, maybe we are not adding this as well. Let's go and do it. So once our selection and deletion of text layer is working, we are good for the day. I'm leaving. And I wish you all a very happy Sunday tomorrow. Enjoy, guys. Take rest. And do not watch any other live stream tomorrow. Maybe like watch a good sunset or nature outside. We all should be stay away from screens tomorrow. Just one day in a week. We all can do it. See ya from my side. Happy life. Thank you for joining. See ya, man. Israr, we can move the memes freehand within the frame, right? Not right now, Israr, but that's easy. Like I will add it. If you select the meme layer and you like drag it across, you can like resize and reposition it. So I'm adding this logic first for the text layers. Once that logic is implemented, like text resizing and text positioning, then I will implement the exact, like maybe like reuse the same logic for the memes layer as well. So yeah, can be done. So I'm pretty happy that this implementation worked, and I think we are good, as I can see. So here selection is working. Even if I press on delete, the layers are getting deleted. And now I can say here, I can say Israr coming from Goa. I hope Israr doesn't mind this. What happened? Shit. I think what happened? Where is the server running? For some reason the server stopped running. Commit, change, push, yarn, build. Let's see if the build is working fine. Then we can also say clear yarn dev. What happened to this thing? Okay, let's say this is a meme and this is another meme. Here we can say adding a text layer, which is Israr coming from Goa, and I would say 120 text and add text. So now, but yeah, we need a little bit of resizing in this, right? This is nice. I like this meme. Uh, okay, we have a lot, right? We can move the memes freehand. Okay, great stream. Thank you, Blinken Codes. Thank you for joining, man. I'll see you on Monday. Hind, yeah, I'll play cricket. Awesome. Have a good game, guys. Good night. Good night. Good night, everyone. No fun to stay away from screen though. Yeah, we are so addicted. The real dopamine kicks in when we look on these blue light. How are you removing the green color from the meme? I had to do like a little bit of canvas repainting and removing some pixels from the layers, the image layers. It was a little bit tricky, but yeah, was able to do it. Lamau M doesn't want me coming back from Goa. App doesn't want me to come from Goa. Yeah, we can again. I really need a space bar. We'll add that. Isra, okay. See you on Monday. Hi Divyanshu. Hi Snap. Snap, I'm just leaving. Thank you for joining. Maybe I'll see you guys on Monday again. So yeah, thank you so much guys for joining. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great Sunday.